Hey guys, welcome to another video of some product that I'm not sure if you knew existed. Yes, the title is very true. It is a USB powered glue gun. It's powered by a micro USB, as you see right here. One of these thingies. And the gun itself has a battery inside that charges. And it takes some of those kind of smaller glue sticks, I guess you would call them. And in this video, I'm gonna test if it's even possible to work with some of this, especially if you're into crafts and all that stuff. This actually looks like something very useful, and you can connect the USB either directly to the gun itself or to the base station. Either one works fine, and the build quality is not bad actually. It's that kind of high quality plastic. Is made by a company called Westcott, and that's pretty much about it. The tips are not interchangeable, so you are not gonna change it from what it has right now. And the rest, you can see the sticks going through here. And let me connect it to a USB that's actually connected to my computer. This USB is coming from my computer. And let me connect it here. As you see, now the base should be powered. Let me put the glue gun itself on top of it and see if it starts charging. And as you see, yes, right now it is charging. Let me take it off the base and try to see if I can charge directly the handle thingy here. Okay, let me twist it to the side and plug it. And yes, it works right away. As you see here, the light is going in and out. And now I'm gonna just do it from the base because I don't intend to actually keep holding this. And I'm so happy that every new device are coming, all new devices are coming with USB-C. This is the reason why I'm happy. Let me put it on the base, which is charging right now. Let me turn it on and see if it's gonna get hot. Looks like you have to take it off here. Okay, so we take it off the base, and I think it has some charge on it, but I'm not sure. This should turn it on. And yes, it's turned on. And I'm gonna give it a few moments probably to start heating up, and we'll try to melt some of that glue. And it took maybe a minute, probably a minute, to actually start getting very hot. Let me see if it's hot enough for the glue to come off. Oh yes, not sure if you can see it on camera there. It's spitting a lot of hot glue. And it's just a tiny device that you can charge with a micro USB. This is very, very interesting and exciting, especially for some of you that actually work with glue guns to do projects, and especially if you have small projects. This one is just perfect, and it actually puts the glue out very consistently. As you see here, you have really a lot of control over it. And then you turn it off here. We see how that works. Oh yeah, and it turns off right away. Just you have to hold the button and it stays there. And pretty much that's it with it. Oh, that glue is still hot, by the way. And no, this hard drive is dead, so I just use it for, you know, side projects. And this is really interesting. I maybe it's just me that I never seen one of these before, and it's first time kind of I'm getting a little bit excited to see such a device in existence. There's a lot of times I need one of these glue guns to just put something quick together. I'm not really into the crafts part. But on tech stuff, you know that sometimes you gotta do things that you need to put together. You gotta glue things. And one of these guns is just so perfect. And or especially when you're doing any car repairs, so you're gonna put something small, plastics or fabrics or whatnot. One of these is really of high value, I would think. And I don't know how much they go because I didn't really pay full price for it. I paid 50 cents. It was one of those, you know, cute finds on those thrift shops. And that's where I bought it. I have no idea how much it is online. I just know it's made by Westcott, whatever this company is about. And you can just charge it with anything. Let me see if I can actually charge it with a battery bank. One of these battery banks here. Let me plug it in on this side and see if it starts charging. It should, but you never know. And yes, starts charging right away. And I guess this battery bank will have enough juice for it for quite a long time. And this is something interesting. This is interesting, especially if you're into crafts and you need something more portable. I would highly suggest this one, actually. I just had maybe a few hours to play around with it, and I'm already amazed by its work. It did a lot, and it did it fast, and in a very portable, interesting way. And with that said, I hope you liked something on this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe would be much appreciated, and we will see you next time. Bye!